Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many players enjoy the thrill of PUBG Mobile on their PC using the official Gameloop emulator. It provides a smooth, optimized way to experience the battle royale action. You might hear discussions about using a VPN for this setup, but for most players, in most regions, it's actually not required at all. Let's explore how you can jump into the game without any extra steps. Remember, Gameloop is developed by Tencent, the very same company behind PUBG Mobile. This makes it the recommended and most compatible emulator. Because it's official, Gameloop already connects you to the appropriate game servers for your region. This direct link means that in most cases, a virtual private network is simply not needed to access and play the game. The main reason some players consider using a VPN is if PUBG Mobile isn't officially released in their specific region. So, the first step is always to check if the game is available where you live. You can usually find this information by searching for PUBG Mobile official availability online, or by simply trying to download and run the game directly through Gameloop. If it works, you're all set. If you encounter any connection problems while trying to play, don't immediately think you need a VPN. Start by troubleshooting your basic internet connection, making sure it's stable and strong. Also, always ensure your Gameloop client is fully updated, as older versions can sometimes have compatibility issues. Often, a quick restart of the Gameloop application, or even your entire PC, can clear up most common connection hiccups. Looking ahead to 2025, Gameloop continues to be the most reliable and official platform for enjoying PUBG Mobile on your computer. Focusing on official downloads and direct connections helps ensure a smooth, secure, and lag-free gaming experience. You can confidently dive into the action, knowing you're using the intended setup, and enjoy your chicken dinners without needing to worry about extra software like a VPN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.